Hey guys, good morning. It's Sonia waking up on this rainy morning. My sister's coming to town tomorrow. Today I'm looking to do some painting, some decorating of the room that she's going to be staying in. And I gotta tell you, thank you Mother Nature for this rainy day. I am going to turn on my speaker, listen to some good music, and get to cleaning. I'll show you the room I'm gonna work in. And of course, I'm starting off my day with a lovely cup of coffee. Oh man, can you beat the weather? All right guys, so this is the room we are going to tackle today. So I want you to take one last look at this place because we're gonna bring her into the modern civilization world. Right now we are looking at pinkish, we're looking at like this pinkish metallic gray rose sort of look on the wall. I do like this texture that's on here. I think it's gonna be really cool once we paint it. And that's what we're doing today. We're going to paint it and just give it a nice fresh coat of paint, which will make it nice and fresh. This is the only thing I have in here right now, which is this mattress, a new mattress. I'll probably take this piece of plastic to help me guard the floor. Right now there's beige carpet down that will stay down for right now until we get to the floor in this room, so I still don't want to mess it up too much. And so this is what we're going to do. Cannot positively wait to get all the window treatments changed. This is the curtains that will go in here, and honestly this picture kind of represents what I have in mind, except right now until I get the floors changed over I'll have this beige carpet. I'm going with grayish for the wall. There is already white trim in here. I just love this. This is a color I picked up, like this beautiful, I don't know, minty sea mist, but yet it's got this grayish gray, creamy kind of look into it as well. And so anyway, we are gonna bring it all together. And then the color we're gonna use, can you see it right over here? It's called Dovetail Gray, and it's that color right there. It's like beigey gray. It's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, on second thought, this bed was so heavy, I put the plastic on top of it, put the mattress in the middle of the room. I think that was a better idea. This is what I found downstairs. It came as wrapping paper for a TV, so I'm gonna use it. This is perfect for me to use as I paint along the edges and lay it down underneath what I'm doing. Hey Matt, I can make you some space pants out of this, man. So I am going to use my favorite paintbrush. This is the Shortcut. It's on my website. We just restocked, by the way, over at junkmonkeypaint.com. I love this paintbrush. You cannot beat the value of it. It's amazing. It's ergonomic. It's fun to use. It's lightweight. It's got that beautiful cut in right there for all the trim. I'm not even gonna tape this off, guys. Ain't gonna do it. Okay, this is our color in the tray. You ready to see what it looks like on here? Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it even more. Can you guys, sorry about that. Can you guys see up close just like the texture that's in the wallpaper? Look how nice and smooth that's gonna be. If anything my mama taught me is that you can certainly go ahead, hail to the power of paint, and paint your wallpaper. All right, oh my gosh, this is gonna be gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Guys, I am at the part where I get to take off these lovely curtains. As Marie Kondo would say, take a moment to say thank you for serving me and serving this house, and then we can move it along. I can see why they picked that. I just love vintage. I do. I just love vintage fabrics and stuff. Isn't this beautiful in its own way though? All right. Guys, I have to show you that I found this scroll wall mirror set, and look, I got it on sale for $5. I think this is gonna be beautiful in this space. Guys, fast forward to the future, and the room is done. It's ready. It's flipped. This makeover is complete on a dime. We can continue to grow with the room, add more things, but I'm pretty happy with where it is right now. It's perfect for my sister. And in between the last little bit that I filmed, she's in town right now, and I'm pretty excited. I haven't seen her since last year. I'm excited because she's excited too to help me do some projects here at the house. And I'm just thinking, like, this weekend we couldn't have timed it better because it's Memorial Day weekend. You guys know there's tons of yard sales and just all kinds of like sales of secondhand items, thrift stores, yard sales, all that good sort of stuff. And so we are going to hit some places to find some good junk to decorate this house with. So stay tuned. We've got lots more to come. And how about this quick room tour now? Are you ready to see the most simple of things that I brought together, and already this room just feels so much different. Hail to the power of paint. All right, so let's take you for a quick spin. And guys, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, would you please consider doing so? I would love it if you would give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Do you like this transformation? Are you into quick transformations on a budget, just like me? All right, let me show ya. The headboard is in place. Love it. Got this one on sale at Wayfair during the Way Day sale. Stole it for such a great price. Bedding, of course, you guys have been seeing me shopping at Gabe's and Burlington Coat Factory, all that good stuff. Got some great beddings. What do you guys think of those elephant sheets? Like, how cool was that? Oh, I just picked up this lamp last night at Lowe's. Right now this shade is on sale for $8, and I bought this beautiful frame to put it on, and the frame base I think was like $14.50, somewhere around there. So I thought that was just such a nice piece to add in here and just gives it such great ambiance. You can tell my sister is already here because she has her journal. She's a creative like me too, so tonight she can relax in bed, turn her light on, and maybe do a little bit of journaling about how great her sister is, right? Hi, Anna. I know you're gonna be watching this, so I had to throw that in there. So there is my Burlington find for $9.99. Love me the ocean. Just feels so serene, and look, it's even got a little bit of bling bling into it. So you can find some amazing pieces. You could even paint this as well. Get out your Junk Monkey paint and go to town and do something that just speaks to your personality. This was a little piece that I flipped that I got along my travels. I think I paid like $15 or $20 for this piece, and you can see it just blends in so nice. I love the style of it, that Queen Anne style. So for right now, we're gonna keep with the floor as is, which is that beige carpet. Eventually, we will be pulling it up and exposing those beautiful wooden floors beneath it, but that's a project for another day. This is where we put the mirrors up. I got my sister's help today to go ahead and hang these for $5. What a cute little way to stage them, and I think it looks perfect right there in the corner. This is a chair that was already in the space that was here behind me, sitting at the vanity. I put it over in the corner, and that little flower right here, this little plant that will not die, just let me tell you, because she's plastic, but she just adds a fresh touch to the space, and I think I paid all of $7.99 for that. And then of course our curtains are over here as well, and these were our Walmart finds, and I love how they look together with the space. I'm actually gonna close up the window so she has some nice privacy here, but I wanted to open it so you guys could really see it. All right, guys. Let me know what you think, and also, we painted the wallpaper, right? I just think for a quick flip, honestly, to add some color to the wall, it smells so fresh in here right now, and the vibe is completely different. Bye-bye pink, blue, gray, metallic, whatever it was, wallpaper, and I'll show you guys the color that I used because I know you guys want to know that. All right, so the color that I used right here, it is a Glidden color, and I use the color, if you guys can see it on here, it is called Dovetail Gray. Dovetail Gray. Didn't it turn out so pretty? It is the perfect gray beige to bring everything together. So I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. All right, guys, I'm gonna go spend some time with my sister. We've got some pizza in the oven and some wings. We're gonna go pig out and plan our next project. She tells me she's gonna help me pull my bedroom together next. So stay tuned here on the vlog because that'll be coming up as well. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Give me some hearts, comment below. See ya.